Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Home, which for us serves as a bulletin board to our English 101 College Reading and Composition 1 course. Okay, so what's on our bulletin board for week 12 in modules, April 27th through May 3rd, 2020? We are finishing up discussion 5. I'm going to click on modules and we're into discussion 5 right away. And I'm going to scroll down and remind you that there were 2 due dates. If you missed the essay due date, please email me over here in inbox. Let me know what happened, and I'll clear you to write the essay and to post in this discussion. Okay, this week we are completing part 2. And these are the peer evaluations due by May 3rd. All right, I wanted to remind you about something very important about the peer evaluations. And to do so, I am scrolling down and we see one of your peers, her essay is here. Let's look below her essay thread. So below her essay thread, I ask her questions. And as you know, I'm super active in our discussions. And when I ask you a question, you'll see this animated question in the box jumping up. So look below your essay thread, respond to any peer evaluations of your essay, and also respond to my questions and tasks I may have for you. I'm going to scroll down more. And I'm going to show you that I had a response to my question, and then I asked an additional question. So I may ask you more than one question in your essay thread, so be sure to respond to me. Okay, I'm scrolling down some more below Emily's thread, or into her thread below her essay. And I have comments here, and then I have also tasks for Emily to do, and I may require you to do tasks as well. And again, you see my question in the box here, signaling that you need to read this carefully. All right, we have Maria's essay here, and I'm scrolling to the end of her essay thread, and there I am. And sometimes I provide a lot of notes for you. And that's not because I'm trying to bore you to death. I just really care about your learning. So read them very carefully, okay? And these are my notes to Maria. And yep, they're big. Okay? But that's because I'm paying attention. Maria is worthy of my help. She's a good writer, and we're going to make her even better. Okay, so all the way down here, here's my animated question. This is a signal to you that you need to respond to me. Okay? Well, let's have a good week, and I hope you're all okay in this COVID-19 era. I know it's very stressful to be in this era, and I really care about you, and I hope all is going well. All right, let's have a good week.